Good morning, students. This is video number 32, part 1 and chapter 6, sound. We are just going to revise this chapter. So open your book at page number 128. So let us revise the back exercise of the chapter sound. First of all, take the best choice. Sound is a form of energy that gives sense of hearing, because when the sound produced, we are able to hear. So speaking is the incorrect answer, touch is the incorrect answer, and none of these is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is hearing. Now the next is the box in human body which help us in producing sound is called, look student, this is also called voice box and larynx. So the correct answer is A or B. Now the next is the commonly used doorbell is electric device. Biophony sources are related to animal sounds. Then sound is a pressure wave. Now fill in the blanks. Our ears can hear. Our ears can hear sounds of frequency 20 Hz to 20,000 Hertz. This is the audible range of hearing. Then vibrating bodies produce sound. Next is sound is a longitudinal wave. The correct answer is sound is a longitudinal wave. Next, ninth is vibration of a string of a musical instrument produces music. So the correct answer is vibration. Next is voice of girl is shriller than that of a boy. Now the next is true and false. Amplitude is the greatest displacement of a vibration. Yes, this is the correct answer. Now the next is loudness depends upon amplitude of a sound wave. This is correct, because we know that loudness is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude, and pitch, it depends upon the frequency. It is directly proportional to the frequency. So the number of cycles per second gives the frequency of a sound wave. This is also true. Pitch has nothing to do with the sound. This is false. Then sound does not need a medium to propagate. This is false. The correct answer is light does not need a medium to propagate, because sound needs a material medium to propagate. Now you have to learn the definition of this sound: pitch, frequency, wavelength and time period. These are the definition of this. Now match the following. So slinky, this is related with the toy spring. Soundproof, this is related with the thermocol. Sound, medium, required medium, and stethoscope, which is with the doctors, it gives reflection of sound. So prepared well. Question answer. You must learn all these questions in order to score very good marks, or you can watch the video as well. Okay, first of all, we know that loudness is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude. Directly proportional means if the amplitude increases, the loudness will also increase. If the amplitude decreases, it means the loudness will also decrease, or vice versa. And whereas the pitch is directly proportional to frequency, it means if the pitch increases, frequency will also increase, or if frequency increases, the pitch will also increase. Then if the pitch decreases, frequency will also decrease. And pitch of the sound, that is also known as shrillness. That is also known as shrillness. If the frequency is more or frequency increases, the sound is shriller. And if the frequency decreases, the sound is faint sound, that is not shriller. So that is why we are able to distinguish between the voice of a girl and boy, because the frequency of the sound of the girl is much more than the frequency of the voice of a boy. So that is why we are able to distinguish between the voice of a girl or a boy. Then amplitude, we know that this is a transversal wave. You just see, this is called amplitude. This is called amplitude. In this case, the amplitude is more, and in this case, the amplitude is less. It means the sound is loud. In this case, the sound is faint. So, it is the amplitude which determines the loudness of the sound. More the amplitude means more the loudness. Less the amplitude means less the loudness. So, you must learn this in order to score very good marks. And wavelength means the distance. You can draw another time displacement graph. This is called crest, this is called trough, this is called crest, this is called trough. The distance between two crest and one trough, that is known as wavelength, and it is represented with the letter lambda. Or the distance between two trough and one crest, that is also known as wavelength, and it is represented with the letter lambda. So this letter is known as lambda. Clear? So this is called wavelength. So don't forget it. Then another is echo. What is echo? Important point. I am just revising. Echo. What is echo? Echo is a reflection of sound. Like this is the source. The sound waves strike to the obstacle and then again come back. Clear? So that is known as echo, reflection of sound. As we know that speed is equal to distance upon time, but in case of echo, speed will be equal to 2d upon t. Means if this distance is d When it comes back, it travels the same distance. That is why in case of echo, distance is equal to 2d upon t. So this is a reflection of sound. So that's it. Keep on revising, and during the doubt class you must come up with your doubts so that you should score very good marks in the second term exams. Thank you very much.